Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. Unleash your inner rebel with this stunning Harley-Davidson Breakout 114, registered on the 12th of April 2019 on a private plate, with only 1,754 miles. This stunning Harley features the highly desirable Vance & Hines short-shot exhaust for that unmistakable roar. With its long, kicked-out dragster-style design, the Breakout boasts a ridiculously fat rear tire and a sleek 21-inch front wheel, complemented by flat bars that give you an aggressive riding stance. The Milwaukee 8 engine is a powerhouse, delivering exhilarating performance with every twist of the throttle. Minimalist LED headlights and a non-invasive dash adds to the bike's aggressive attitude, making it a true head-turner on the road. This Breakout doesn't just look the part, it exudes a laid-back confidence and unmistakable style. Don't miss your chance to own this exceptional cruiser. Get ready to stand out and ride with confidence. This desirable bike comes serviced where required, with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, 12 months MOT, and 3-month warranty. You can even extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for added reassurance. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 014 24 44 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Please note, there's a small £75 admin fee applicable to all our bikes. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.